Good afternoon, and I have to be careful not to say good morning because we're in the afternoon this week, just because we had the Easter weekend, and it just made sure it gave us a bit of time to make sure we were ready today. So welcome. It's lovely to see that some of you have been having a chat before the lesson, and that is the time to have hello, hi, Miss Nikki and everybody. What a lovely greeting. That is the time for you to have a little bit of a chat. Be careful, as we say, do not reveal any personal information. But once we start the lesson, I need to ask for your help to make sure that all the comments are focused on learning, because I might miss comments that are about maths that are saying that's too hard, that's too easy, we can't see it, can you move the screen, if people are putting other chats. So just like if you're in the classroom, once the lesson started, let's have total zoom, sharp focus on the lesson, and then I can see who's got it, who hasn't, who's a sharpshooter, who's a little bit lacking in confidence, and that's going to really help me. Can you show me your emoji sign that you understand that the lesson has started and you're good to go? I know you've all got all different signals that you're using, ticks, little emojis, little shields. Just show me that you understand what I've said and you know the lesson has started now. So it is full on maths head. Yeah, just show me. Lovely ticks coming in. Thank you. Little emojis, little okay. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, zooming in on the maths talk. Fantastic. Thank you very much. So as more of those are coming in, I'm going to give you a little bit of a brain teaser. And as you know, people who've joined us before, we ask you to make sure you have subscribed to our channel and that you've, oh, beautiful emojis. Well done, chickadees. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you've ticked on the bell, you've clicked on it, so you're going to get the notifications. And make sure you've downloaded our fantastic app, because when we get that ready for years 5 and 6, you'll get those updates coming straight through. So thank you. Okay, if you don't want paper, that's okay, but it's quite helpful to have a little bit of a jotty page down. So we're going to get started. While some more people are sending me their lovely emojis showing that they know the lesson started, so it's all about maths focus now. Let me give you a little bit of an activity to start. So down we go. Here we go. Down you go. I'm still here. I'm not leaving you. I'm just giving you a little bit of a close-up of what I would like you to start. So while I'm getting those fantastic, oh, thank you very much. Somebody said fantastic is great. So they've already got and you've subscribed. Thank you. So we are looking at multiplication today, and we are going to be just touching up on our times tables. Year 5 and 6, we should know all our times tables really quickly up to 12 times 12. So I'm expecting that, but I'm just going to do a little bit of practice because, you know, you're not at school, you're on the Easter holidays. I don't know whether your teachers are setting you work. You might have got a bit slack, and I don't want you to get a bit slack. So looking at these figures, which of these numbers that you can see here are multiples of 5? Okay, some are multiples of 5, some are not. Which are multiples of 5? Can you show me which are multiples of 5? And how do you know? How do you know which of those are multiples of 5? And how do you know? Tell me. So while we're working on those, oh, and those answers are starting to come in, can you try, oh, because there's some new names today. Welcome, new people. Can you try and get all your answers in one line before you touch the enter button, the return button, the little right-angled arrow? So